Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked 10 years at the IRS, a decade, and I've been in private practice for 42 years. Thank you for listening today. I got a call, I don't know, about last week, and the person was kind of really upset, and he said, I think I'm going under a criminal investigation. And I asked the person why. He says, I just have a feeling I am. So I wanted to make this video so people have asked me, how do I know if I'm under a criminal investigation with Internal Revenue Service? Well, the fact is you don't. You just don't know. Nobody really knows. That's part of what they do. So once the criminal investigation or special agent gets a case, they develop all their cases, most of their case, probably 60% of their inventory. They go ahead and they get a lead and they start doing some behind the scenes due diligence on you. And then at some point in time when they have enough information, they put a case together, a dossier together, then they go and talk to their manager, and they make a determination if they want to go ahead and follow up and make this a case, a criminal case. So a lot goes into it. IRS justice doesn't say this. By the way, IRS has a 90% conviction rate on criminal cases. But you don't know, you'll never know you're under a criminal investigation. There could be a hint if you're under a tax audit, for instance, and you're in the middle of the audit, all of a sudden you don't hear from the agent for a while. A long time, and you call them and they don't return the call. That case could have been referred to criminal investigation. So I just want you to know, you never know. Sometimes, by the way, IRS may pull your credit report up. It'll say U.S. Treasury on there. So you don't know. And sometimes if you're hearing this, maybe you'll say, maybe I need to amend my tax return. But if you think you're under a criminal investigation, or if it turns criminal, let me know. I have a great couple law firms that we can put you in touch with and do the representation. So I just want you to know you're never going to know. Sometimes you're paranoid, usually because you may have done something wrong, but you're never, ever going to know. It all comes by surprise. Thank you very much. I tell you the truth. You have an IRS problem, call us.